Hello, my name is Budi Satyo Aji from 12 grade MIPA 2. Here I will explain the process of rain. We all must have been very familiar with which his name is rain. Usually when it's rain we liquid something warm. Then it is no wonder if we see a lot of people who likes to drink hot tea or coffee warm as their friend when it rains. Then what is the meaning of rain? If we're talking rains, the rain is a process of precipitation till file of the number of liquid that comes from the Earth's atmosphere have exceeded their frozen or liquid the distance of surface of the Earth. The atmosphere at the disability nets rain the process of finding the appropriate temperature which the melting of point is near and above the Earth's surface. As for the Earth, the rain is the phenomena of condensation and even change substances of objects into other objects of subjects, which process in the process of changing rainwater vapor in the atmosphere into rainwater that falls to the earth. That's a brief explanation regarding the understanding of rains. The process of ordinary of rains following the process of the ordinary of rains. After we rinse out a brief explanation regarding the understanding the rain, so in this chapter we will discuss about the process of the ordinary of rains. In summary, the process of the onset of rain can be divided into 4 steps. 1. Solar thermal assistance. Sunlight is a factor of occurrence of rains. The sun is an important factor in the creation of the rain on the earth, which house the aid of solar is then it feels impossible with happen rain process. Sunlight he affects to the water in river, like season and oceans though the evaporation in the air. And heat of the sun can also cause penguapan the causes in humans, animal, plants, and other objects that contain water. 2. Moisture completion by hex temperature. Combustion water temperature next. After the water that is in the earth rises into the air which is transformed into water vapor. The will will change the temperature of water vapor becomes so solid so transfer into dew. Then more dew gathers into points the gets bigger which the hot temperature helps so that it will become a cumulus. Based of the records of the stacks, drops of water has a size 4 next 20 mm, where of this size of water droplets will fall to the earth which will the speed of the air flow the top is much higher of that the drops formed air which not fall to the earth. 3. Wind assistance. The process of the ordinary of rain with assistance. After the points cold in the sky and farming smell cold, then the wind in the air brings cold and booms into its odor of until from a large cold collection. After the cold turns into agreed, then the cold will move up again to the points of lower temperature, until finally the cold will turn in gray. 4. Rain. The process of delivery of the rain after a small cold on from a cloud cold. The longer the colors of cold will be more grace to the abundance of moisture condense after. A collection of water getting bigger and not unstoppable and due to its weight. The grains of water will fall to earth so called the rain phenomena. Brief explanation of the process of the onset of rain can be summed up as follows. Heat of the sun causes evaporation of water in the face of the earth, resulting in the account of steam water vaporizing from the earth. The wind carried clouds of thin boom into its odor and assembled into underlaid cloud. Wind becoming insensibly gray because of the growing number of moisture contacts, so the water comes down to earth as rains. So, a brief explanation regarding the understanding rain and rain. The process may be useful. That's an explanation of the rain from me. And thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.